Narrated by Sa'id, Abu Shuraih said, when Amr bin Sa'id was sending the troops to Mecca to fight Abdullah bin Zubair, I said to him, O chief, allow me to tell you what the Prophet ﷺ said on the day following the conquest of Mecca. My ears heard and my heart comprehended, and I saw him with my own eyes when he said it. He glorified and praised Allah and then said, Allah and not the people has made Mecca a sanctuary. So anybody who has belief in Allah and the last day, that is a Muslim, should neither shed blood in it nor cut down its trees. If anybody argues that fighting is allowed in Mecca, as Allah's Apostle ﷺ did fight in Mecca, tell him that Allah gave permission to His Apostle, but He did not give it to you. The Prophet added, Allah allowed me only for a few hours on that day of the conquest, and today now its sanctity is the same, valid as it was before. So it is incumbent upon those who are present to convey this information to those who were absent. Abu Shuraih was asked, what did Amr reply? He said, Amr said, O Abu Shuraih, I know better than you in this respect. Mecca does not give protection to one who disobeys Allah or runs after committing murder or theft and takes refuge in Mecca.